Do you know about time cops like this or that? Well, Stephen Hawking thought they were real, sort of. See, time travel leads to a lot of problems. There's the obvious paradoxes that we see in sci-fi, like the grandfather paradox, the information paradox, and all their variants, and while these might just seem like fun sci-fi tropes, they have real-world implications for what we know about the laws of physics. For example, unitarity is a property of quantum mechanics that ensures probabilities always add up to 1, and time travel could potentially ruin that. But it's not a problem, because it doesn't look like time travel exists in our universe anyway. So, Stephen Hawking hypothesized that the laws of physics have a time police, if you will. That there is some property of our universe that is as yet unknown that prevents macroscopic time travel. This is now called the chronology protection conjecture. The trouble is, this is just a conjecture at this point. Certainly, our universe doesn't have any obvious time machines, but it's believed that proving the conjecture, or showing it's false, would require a complete theory of quantum gravity, which we just don't have. So we're left hoping. But it's looking good. The time machine that's been considered most in the literature is a type of wormhole, one opening in the past, the other in the future. But it seems like these kinds of time machines, while realizable in an ideal setting, seem to fall apart in more careful analyses. In fact, it's been calculated that the behavior of quantum fields in the vicinity of a wormhole seem to induce a buildup of energy near one of the mouths. It's thought that this instantaneous spike in energy might collapse the wormhole into a black hole, cutting off the time machine before it forms. Of course, this is a calculation that uses an approximation called semi-classical gravity, but it's a hint at least. And if that doesn't work, well, there are other potential physical mechanisms that might do it. For example, if on average the energy in a region is positive in a particular sense, called the average null energy condition, then wormhole time machines might be able to form, but their throats would collapse nearly instantly before anything could pass through, again leaving you with a black hole. So my money is with Hawking on this one, because it would be a hell of a headache to be a physicist when the first time traveler shows up.